So what I'm trying to do is get a replacement for this component. I think this is an inductor. There's like square ferrite core around it, around here. And inside there's coils of wire. They're actually attached to 2 pins, and there are 2 wires, if you can see, that are soldered together. 2 wires here. So 2 wires here, and same on the pin on the other side. There are 2 wires that are soldered onto that 1 pin. So this is, I think, 3 millihenry. 3 millihenry here. And I mean, I've looked at inductors and I'm not an expert at all on this sort of thing. I mean, I barely know what it is really. But what I want to do is I want to find a device that I can use to replace this. The wire thickness, each one of these wires, the strands are 0.1 millimeter thick. So the wire there is 0.1 millimeter thick. The resistance is across these pins here is 5.5 ohms. I've measured that, 5.5 ohms. So 3 millihenries, 5.5 ohms. It's from a circuit board. It's from this circuit board here, taken from this point here. It's very, very noisy. It's making a buzzing sound. This has got a, this is actually, this is from a master-slave power socket. Here's a relay, and basically what you do is you plug a plug into it. When you switch the device on, it knows the device is switched on, and it switches the slave sockets on. So it obviously routes current through this relay. And basically the problem with it is when it's in here, it's buzzing quite a lot. It buzzes. So what I want to do is I want to get a better inductor and put that in here, in this position here, and hopefully have a better silent board. And I really need a little bit of help with the choice of component. Okay, well, if you can help me, that would be great.